In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're preparing documents for accessibility purposes or simply looking to organize your files more effectively, adding tags in Adobe Acrobat is a crucial step. With these instructions, you'll soon have a well-tagged document that enhances accessibility and usability. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the PDF document you wish to tag in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat Pro installed, make sure to download and install it prior to beginning this process. Once you have your PDF file ready and opened in the program, you're all set to embark on the tagging journey. Next, find the hamburger menu, which is essentially the icon with 3 horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the Acrobat window. This is your primary point of navigation, and it will allow you to access various settings and tools that Adobe Acrobat offers. Once the hamburger menu is open, focus your attention on the View option. This part of the menu allows you to manage your workspace and ensure that you can see all necessary panels and tools. Under View, hover over Show Hide, which will then present you with several more options. From there, go to Side Panels to reveal even more sub-options. You're looking for accessibility tags, select this option. By doing so, you're enabling the Accessibility Tags panel, which is central to the tagging process. Now that the Accessibility Tags panel is open, take a look at the top where you should see 3 horizontal dots, often referred to as an ellipsis. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with multiple choices. Within these options, you'll find Auto Tag Document. Click on it. Auto tagging is a great feature because it automatically assigns tags to the elements within your document, making your job much quicker and easier. This feature intelligently analyzes the document structure and applies appropriate tags, which is especially beneficial for large documents. Finally, once the auto tagging process is complete, you must save your work. This is a vital step to ensure that all the changes you've just made are securely stored. To save your tagged document, navigate to the File menu and select Save. Alternatively, you can simply hit Ctrl+S on your keyboard as a quick shortcut. This way, all tags and accessibility enhancements remain with the document, streamlining the user experience for anyone who interacts with your PDF in the future. And there you have it, a thoroughly tagged PDF document that enhances accessibility and organization. By following these steps, you ensure your document is not only better structured, but also accessible to individuals using screen readers. Thanks for joining me today, and happy tagging.